Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Elisa, here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. And today we'll be taking a look at this 2018 Toyota RAV4 all-wheel drive XLE. So this is a 4-door, 5-passenger all-wheel drive SUV, and the color is called Silver Sky. Under the hood, you'll find a 2.5-liter inline 4-cylinder engine, and you'll be riding on top of 17-inch alloy wheels. Now, some of your features include your front fog lamps. You also have your rear collision and your rear cross traffic alert, and you have your automatic high beams, but there's lots of stuff happening on the inside as well, so why don't we hop on in and take a look at your interior features. Helping you into your RAV4 is this handy dandy key fob. On your Toyota Smart Key, you have your lock, your unlock, your power lift gate, and your panic button. Pushing the unlock button once will unlock the front door, and pushing it twice will unlock all four. And you can see there that you do have your side view mirror signal indicators. That's really great for heavy traffic or if you're traveling on the highway. And then right here, there, if you can see it, you also have your side blind zone alert, another really great safety feature for you. And I am gonna lock this back up here, and we're gonna place the key in my pocket because we're not gonna be needing that anymore. It is a proximity key, so I'm just gonna place my hand on the handle. And if you can hear that beep, it did just unlock for me. So we're gonna open this up, take a look at the interior. Lots of room to get in and out. You do have some storage here in the driver's side door along with a cup holder there. You also have your power windows and your locks, and your power mirrors are situated just to the left of your steering wheel there, along with your interior lighting control. You also have your lane departure warning, your heated steering wheel, which is great for those summer months. And then you have your differential lock and your power lift gate. Moving a little bit further in, you have 2 sets of floor mats, including your all-weather floor mats to keep your vehicle nice and clean. And then you have your power adjustable driver's seat with your power adjustable lumbar support. So lots of different ways to get comfortable. And it's not going to be hard in the RAV4 because you have these great plush seats. Moving a little bit further up, you do have your power tilt and slide sunroof. That's really great to let the sun shine in on those gorgeous summer days that we all know and love in Alberta. It up for you, take a look at some more technology features. With that proximity key, we have the push start technology for you. Really beautiful display. You also have some ambient lighting there. Not a lot of, it's not super bright on your eyes. Moving a little further back, we do have, again, your heated steering wheel, your leather wrapped steering wheel, adds some luxury to your drive. And then on your steering wheel, you have all of the mounted controls that you're going to want. You have your volume control and your music selection buttons and your mode changer there. You also have your hands-free calling and your voice command. And then on the right-hand side, this is going to be for your central information display. This is going to control your settings for all of your safety settings, like your pre-collision system and your your pre-collision system and your lane departure alert, things like that. Pardon me, I tripped over my words there. And you also have all of your cruise control options, and you have the information like your fuel economy, your eco indicator, and your rest warning light. Actually, you can set that timing to make sure that it reminds you to take a rest, which is really great for those long family road trips. Right below that is your dynamic radar cruise control, which works in tandem with your cruise control just right there. And then looking at your audio system now, you have everything that you're going to want in terms of music. You do have your Sirius XM radio, AM, FM, you have your Bluetooth audio there, and then you have your auxiliary and your USB and your CD player. And my apologies, you do not have Sirius XM in this particular unit. Moving a little bit further down from there, you do have your dual zone climate control, including your air conditioning. That's going to be great for those summer months. And then further down from there is your heated seats for the winter months once again, and you have your windshield wiper defrost as well. You also have your 2 different driving modes, and here is where you'll plug in your USB and your audio input, and you have your 12-volt DC plug-in in case you have any other devices that you would like to charge. Moving a bit further back from there, you do have your sport mode. That's really fun to drive that way if that's how you prefer to drive. And then right in here is a double-decker center console, so you can fit some smaller items at the top and some larger items at the bottom. So really handy to bring some smaller things along with you. And then you have a nice big glove compartment, all of the manuals that you're going to need. So lots of really great things happening in the front of your RAV4. Why don't we head on back and take a look at cargo? Taking a look at the back of your RAV4 now, lots going on back here as well. You do have your rear windshield wiper for that unpredictable Alberta weather. You also have your rear windshield defrost for the winter as well. And taking a look here, you do have your power lift gate button. So we're just going to push this and open it up here for you. We'll take a look at the cargo space. Now, another nice thing about the RAV4 is the amount of cargo space. It's a nice large compartment. Right under here is the spare tire with all of the tools and jacks you're going to need, and I'll show you that your cargo cover fits nicely under there as well. Here is your cargo cover here. This is going to give you some privacy on those big shopping trips, or if you just don't want anybody looking into the back of your seat. And I'm going to lay these seats down so you can see just how much cargo space there is. So there's the first seat down, and you can see that that 60-40 split allows you to carry something a little bit larger and still fit 2 people in the back seat comfortably. And there's that second seat down for you, so you can see just how much space you have. Large compartment, and right under here, as I had said before, is your cargo cover. So it just tucks in nicely. You can take it with you. You don't have to store it in your garage or in your apartment or anything like that. And then when you're finished loading in all of your gear, you can either use your fob or you can use the button there as well, and it'll bring your hatchback right back down for you, and we'll give you a nice view of the back of your RAV4. Giving you a final look then of the 2018 Toyota RAV4 all-wheel drive XLE. You do have those roof side rails just in case you'd like a bit of extra cargo space, and you also have some tinted windows to give your passengers a bit of privacy. Now, there's lots going on that I didn't get a chance to go through as well on this brief walk around, so come on in, take it for a test drive, ask all of the questions. We're here to help. We're very easy to find. We're on the corner of 137th Avenue and St. Albert Trail. We're here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. My name is Elisa. Thanks so much for watching, and until we see you, drive safe.